What's up with it? It's your boy Jerry Cash. Right now, I'm live and direct to my wife's PayPal account. Y'all, she been killing it, man. So this is the email processing review. All right, so you can see that's me right there, right there. That's my wife. All right, my wife, beautiful wife, Lejay. All right, so let me show y'all these results, man. 2 days, 868. You hear me? 2 days, going crazy. All right. I think like, why y'all showing her? Cause this my baby. You know what I'm saying? I've been making money online a long time. I gotta show other people's results. Look at this. April 20th, 23, 23, 23, 96, 96, 48, 96, 96. I mean, the money's still coming in. Still another payment from this here. 366, 23. I mean, the money's just coming. You feel me? So, if you're interested in email processing, all right, if you're interested in joining Team Riot, all right, let me just show y'all. This right here is just people in email processing period that's getting paid. I mean, we can go through the proof group all day and just look at payments. All right, so y'all don't see that we the only ones getting paid. Everybody's getting paid. Look at this. Proof, man. Just people just getting paid all day. Let me keep going. Let me keep going. Let me go past, see? More payments, more payments, more payments. All right. So let me show y'all the team first. So y'all know what y'all getting yourselves into. It's Team Riot, man. Retired in our 20s, rich in our thinking, or retired in our 30s. However, however you want to come into the game, all right? Been doing this since 2014, all right? This is only the first group. The other groups got like 5,000 plus members. This one got 859. And so it's booming. All right, you will be a part of a team. And once you click the link below, right, this is the page you're going to come to. So basically, all you doing, man, you get these pre-written ads, right? Company give you the pre-written ads. All you do is take these ad copies, you post them on social media, post them all over the place, right? Those ads generate sales. You get paid directly through your PayPal account immediately, all right? You don't have to wait 2 weeks for the money. Nothing like that, all right? So, once you click the link below, it'll bring you to a page like this. All right, watch this video. All right, put your name and email in. It'll bring you to this page right here. You need more info. I'm the CEO of Team Riot, as you can see right there. And show you how it works. Show you how easy it is to post it on Facebook. All right. Show the proof right there. Proof is in the putting on my account if you want to see. You want to see what I'm doing. Look right there. A little more proof testimonial videos from other people that's in the company. And then the team gear that you will be able to have access to once you get in. All right, now let me explain these right here. $25, $50, and $100. All right. $25, what you will get when you join, you get paid on one level. What does that mean? If you join 25 and somebody else decides they want to join you and they pay 25, that's all you get paid. If they decide they want to join 100, you don't get paid because you're only on this level. All right. You get pre-written ads is what I showed you. You get the basic training, all right, in the company. You will have to pay an additional $10 for the website. All right. With the 50, you get paid on 2 levels. Meaning if you on a 50 and they want to join 25, you can still get the 25. If they want to join 50, you still get the 50. But if they want to join the 100, you won't get the 100 because you're not on that level. All right. These is only one-time payments. If you pay the 100, you get all of these. So it's only one-time payments. You don't have to pay all of these. You pay the 100, then you're automatically in all of these. All right. So then you get capture page, website, pre-written ads, and pro training. And then on the 100, as you can see, you get paid on all 3 levels. So if anybody joins any one of these levels, you'll get paid. You get a capture page, you get email softwares, websites, 5K formula, Facebook domination, YouTube domination, Craigslist domination. You get discounts on all of these things here, pre-written ads, and how to close sales fast, and a little bit more. All right. So if you're interested in email processing, you want to learn how we're getting these kind of results, how we're working as a team, because it's a team effort, on how to build this and then build multiple streams of income after that, then you want to get started with this. All right. Click the link below, get started. If you got any questions, contact me. If you're on the website, you can contact me at the bottom, Or other than that, my number should be in the description below this video. You can shoot me a text or email me. All right. See you guys later. Peace.